In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Sheet to increase productivity. We'll build a simple, reliable tracker you can use every day to plan work, see progress at a glance, and review your results without getting lost in complicated tools. Start by opening Google Sheets and creating a new blank spreadsheet. Give it a clear name so you can find it later. Call it 2026 Productivity Tracker. Consistent naming makes it easy to come back to this file throughout the year. Next, set up your structure so everything you add is organized from day 1. In row 1, create your headers across columns A through G: date, task, category, priority, status, deadline, and notes. Bold that first row so it stands out from the rest of your data. Clear headers make it obvious what belongs where, which is key when you're adding tasks quickly. To keep your list meaningful, standardize your categories in column C. Good examples include client work, content creation, admin, sales, or prospecting, and personal. Categorizing tasks helps you understand where your time actually goes and spot patterns like spending too much time on admin instead of revenue generating work. Now make data entry fast and consistent with dropdowns. For priority in column D, select the entire column, then go to data validation, and create a dropdown with high, medium, and low. This prevents typos and keeps your priorities comparable across the sheet. Do the same for status in column E, adding not started, in progress, completed, and follow up. With these in place, every new task you add will have clear, consistent options. Let's add visual feedback so progress pops. Select column E, open format, conditional formatting, and set a rule. So when the text is exactly completed, the cell fills green. This instant color cue makes it easy to scan your list and see what's done without reading every line. Below your table, create a simple daily summary. In a cell labeled total tasks, use IXO counter B2 EB100 what to count how many tasks you've listed. For completed tasks, use I'll count IF E2 E100 completed. For completion rate, use EL count EF E2 E100 completed, counter B2 B100, then format that cell as a percentage. These three numbers turn your to-do list into measurable outcomes you can act on. Finally, add a second sheet and name it Weekly Summary. Use it to track total tasks, completed, revenue tasks done, and missed deadlines. This high-level view supports a quick weekly review so you can celebrate wins, fix bottlenecks, and plan the next week with focus.